So what is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to episode 2, and today we are doing pasta. So the pasta that I have here is just fusilli pasta. So it's just like the spirally one. I will come and I will show you. So just them, really simple, really cheap. That's the best thing about all these things. Pasta, rice, potatoes, really cheap sources of carbohydrates, sources of food. So again, all we need is our pasta, is our pot, some water, and then a weighing scales if you want to be accurate with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the same as the rice. We're going to do 70 grams. So just fill our pot up to 70. So it's usually a good handful, maybe a handful and a half. So that's just in our pot. It's dry, there's nothing else in there yet. So with the pasta, all we want to do is just submerge the rice. Make sure everything is covered with water. So I'm not even going to measure it. Just make sure you pour enough. That's the kind of biggest thing. The pasta is fully submerged in the pot. Now in with this, we're going to do a drop of olive oil. So what this is going to do, the olive oil will help the pasta kind of stay loose and not stick together. And then we're going to do a generous pinch of salt to just season the pasta, because it can be quite plain. Don't worry if you wash off pasta, this will kind of be washed off with it. This is just for the cooking process, to season it and to make sure it doesn't stick together. Same as the rice, we're going to cover this lid, put it on the stove, bring it to a boil and cook it for about probably less than 10 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes, and the pasta should be perfecto. So when the pasta is on, just put it on a high heat to bring it to a boil. Then when it starts to bubble, turn the heat down to a low heat and leave it simmer for about 6 or 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, taste one of the pasta shells, see if it's done. It should be al dente, which means with a bite. So if you bite it, you should be able to bite through it. There's still a little bit of a chew in it. So that's what you want. Kind of whatever your own preference is. 5 or 6 minutes and it should be absolutely finished and done. So it has been probably 6 minutes. The pasta is fully cooked. I just stirred it occasionally, make sure it wasn't sticking. Again, we have a really nice salty taste. The oil has prevented them from sticking or clogging together. So what we're going to do is just put it through a colander or a strainer, take the water off of it, and then the pasta is ready to go. So the water is fully drained off it. We're just going to get a bowl, put our pasta into it, and that is it. So could not be simpler. We have our cooked pasta ready to go. Really soft to the bite. There's a nice bit of salt there, a little bit of oil as well. So what you can do with that now is you can take that further. You could add some pasta sauce to it, you could add it to a bolognese. We will cover that in time to come, but today I want you to just focus on the pasta itself. That alone can get you through a couple of years of college, I promise you. So hopefully that makes sense. If you find these videos helpful, please do tell a friend, please subscribe to the channel, and I will be back very soon with some more videos. Every video we are going to progress a little bit more until we are all colouring geniuses. So other than that, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and keep on cooking.